For this problem, we're going to find all degree solutions if x is greater than or equal to 0 degree, less than 360 degrees. For the equation cosine of the 2x times cosine x minus sine of 2x times sine x equals negative square root 3 over 2. The left-hand side expression is in the form of the cosine A times cosine B minus sine A times sine B, where A is 2x and B is x. This is the pattern of the cosine of the sum formula. Oops, where did it go? So there you go. It is the cosine of the sum of an angle. So we can rewrite the expression on the left-hand side as cosine of A plus B. And since A is 2x and B is x, gonna be cosine of 2x plus, so I'm gonna write it this way. So cosine of 2x plus x equals the right-hand side, which is negative square root 3 over 2. Simplify to be cosine of 3x equals negative square root 3 over 2, or the equation that we are going to find the solution. The cosine is negative, and angle 3x will be in the second quadrant and the third quadrant. And recall, this is the cosine function. The period is 2 pi or 360 degrees for one revolution or one cycle. Use the unit circle to help us out. The cosine is the first coordinate of the ordered pair. And we are looking for the angle in the second quadrant, that the first coordinate is negative square root 3 over 2 in the degree form, which is 150 degrees. And in the third quadrant, the first coordinate is negative square root 3 over 2, and angle is 210. We have two sets of the solution. So the first one going to be 3x equals, the angle is 150 degrees. And the second set is 3x equals 210 degrees. And again, we're going to write starting with the our solution form by adding by the multiple of the period, or the period value, which is 360 degrees times k. And next, we're going to divide all by 3 to get x equals 50 degrees plus 120 degrees times k. And the x equals 70 degrees 70 degrees plus 120 degrees times k. So with this way, we can see that we need 3 cycles to get out all the solutions between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. So 3 cycles mean we're going to use k as 0 for the first cycle, k equals 1 for the second cycle, and k equals 2 for the third cycle. So make a note, for k equals 0, k equals 1, and k equals 2 to obtain the 3 cycle solutions. So the first round, so x gonna be 50 degrees and 70 degrees. And the next gonna be x equals 50 degrees plus 120 degrees, or 170 degrees. For the second solution, which is 70 degrees plus 120 degrees, or 190 degrees. For the third cycle, x equals 50 degrees plus 120 degrees times 2, or added by 240 degrees to get 290 degrees. And for the second part, gonna be 70 degrees plus 240 degrees. That turns out to be 310 degrees. Now we have 6 solutions, 6 degree solutions between 0 degrees and 360 degrees at 50 degrees, 70 degrees, 170, 190, 290 degrees, and 310 degrees.